Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how to add Moneypak to Cash App. Now, first things first, you're gonna go ahead and buy a Moneypak from a retail store, right? You can buy one from a participating store like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, or Rite Aid. Then just go ahead and load money into the Moneypak at checkout. Now, please note that Moneypak basically requires a prepaid or bank issued a debit card to redeem the funds, right? Then you just need to go ahead and visit the Moneypak website. Open up your browser, go to this URL, now log in, or you can also create an account if you don't have one, and then just enter your Moneypak number. This is usually found on the back of the card. Now, Moneypak allows you to load funds onto a debit card. Now this is actually key for Cash App. So you just enter your bank issued debit card number. Remember, this must be linked to Cash App. Just go ahead and confirm the details and redeem the funds. And your Moneypak balance will be transferred to your debit card. Now what you need to do is you need to link the debit card to Cash App if you've not already linked this. So just open up Cash App, connect your debit card if you haven't yet, then just tap on the banking tab or linked accounts. You just select add a debit card and enter your card details. Now, you can go ahead and transfer funds to Cash App. Basically, now that the funds are in your debit card, just open up Cash App, go to banking tab, and just tap on add cash and enter the amount from Moneypak. Select the linked debit card as the funding source, and then just tap on add cash to complete the transfer. And the money is now available in your Cash App balance. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.